Now what we are going to create? Now we'll create our blog section. Here we will show some blogs from our code. So for doing that, we need some blog at least also. So what I will do, I will go to dashboard page. Okay, and I will go to post options. Here is the post. Here is one post only. If I go to view, it is a hello world post that is by default. So I don't like. Just refresh it. I'll create a new post. You can write your own post here. I will just giving a random post, something like that. So I will choose a title for the post. Okay, title. After that, some text. Let me something like, I will copying this text from here and I will put it here. Okay. If you have seen there was an video between the this. Okay. So for if you want to add your own video, what you can do, at which place do you want? Just here. Yeah, I will add a new video link. So what I will do, I will click on this and I will click on elements, like what I want. Let's close this. Yeah. Okay, what I will do, I will just this option. After that, enter what you want. Just click on the plus. I want a YouTube link, so I will click on YouTube. After that, the link of your YouTube. So in my case, maybe this is the link. I'll copy and I will paste this. I will click on embed. Just something like that. Okay, so I will go back to again YouTube. Let me to remove it. Okay, just remove it. Yeah, I will go on YouTube. Suppose that any text I want, let me do that. This I will just copy this.
I wanted to move abroad and I had to prepare for the
and I will copy the link. I think, yeah, Control A, Control C, cut it. Go back to here, just Control V and embed. Yeah, now better. So if I update now, publish and view my post. Yeah, this is our title, the date we are posting, author name, author name. Here is uncategorized. Okay, we will do category. Yeah, this is our video. Okay, what does it mean? Here is the link. Click on settings, post option. Here we'll see some categories. I mean, which category do you want to post this video? So this video is related to the Flutter programming. So I will add a new category, called it like a programming. Okay, and add a new category. So I will put it in a programming category. After that, what do you tag want to include? I will like programming, coding, Flutter. So these are some tags, and you can also set a feature image here. When someone sees your looks around at your blog, so what image should be reflect? I will just putting in a random image. Okay, something like what, this one also. So update it, refresh it. Now you will see an image. After that, your content. So it was just about your blog. So now we can add our blog post here. What I will do for adding our blog, I will click on plus. After that, 3 section. Okay, you can just search your post. There are multiple grades, recent sports, blog post, can use any of them. So suppose that if you are using this, okay, it's auto reflecting the our post. There are multiple, like if I just delete this, okay, just delete and delete. Now you can see. So what is showing? It's showing our post here. There are multiple post options. I use this, you can use something like this. Okay, there's only one post till now. It is showing only one, otherwise it will show another here. Okay, I don't like this, put it here. Yeah, this is better option. Now we have to also put a heading here, so I will copy this, copy. After that, paste. Heading will be news and blogs. After that, update it. Go back to there. I mean, where? Yeah, this is, refresh it. Now you can see our news and blog. If someone click on this news, he will reach out to our blog page. Okay, something like that. So it was about our blog page.